What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So I got a great one for you today. Now I got another cashback site that is also a coupon site that I've touched on before, probably months and months ago. Now Elite Deal Club is a great coupon website that I used to source from. As you can see here, if we scroll down the dashboard, there's coupon products here, and there used to be gems of coupon products on this actual website, right? So you used to be able to buy for $1, right? And you're getting this $26 product, $1 to your door, and then you could resell it back on Amazon back in the day, right? And now you could obviously utilize that, get the coupon code, and then resell it on other platforms. I've touched on why you don't actually want to resell these coupon products most of the time back on Amazon now, because it comes with the risks of potential copyright claims, trademark claims, etc., etc. So instead, what I recommend to most resellers now is to utilize these coupon websites like Elite Deal Club and all the other coupon websites that I talk about on this channel. There are dozens of them. And basically find good coupon products where you can then get them super cheap to your door and then resell them back on other websites like eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari. You literally take the listing, take all the pictures, all the copy, list it on those other websites. You're getting a product for like $1, sometimes 50 cents, sometimes $2 or $3 if the margin's very high, and you can make a good reselling income that way by supplementing your buys with coupon purchases. Now, I also teach cashback arbitrage on sites like Extreme Rebate, Rebate Key, Tests On, etc., etc. There's countless examples of those as well on this channel. There's probably about 10. However, I've recently noticed when I log onto Elite Deal Club, there are actually cashback products here, and you get your cashback within 24 hours. Now, these don't always change every day, but I have noticed that they change frequently, and you can get great products here. For example, you can get this $13.99 vest right here for free by simply buying it and reselling, or buying it, getting the rebate, and you do this through Facebook Messenger. I'm going to show you it here in a second. Same thing with this diet weight loss supplement will probably flip for like 20 bucks on eBay very quickly, because in my experience, supplements flip very fast on eBay, especially like diet supplements and like nutritional supplements and like pre-workout and stuff like that. Used to get them all the time and flip them back on eBay super fast. Now, you can't sell this back on Mercari, but you could probably flip it on Poshmark. This you could sell back on Mercari and on Poshmark, right? So obviously you can sell all of these on eBay, but I'm going to show you an example of buying this one right here and getting my rebate, how it would go, and how you can also utilize Elite Deal Club to your advantage to get these products for free. And if I actually go into my cashback website, right, or my cashback spreadsheet, because I always recommend to track everything, you can see here that I literally got, here's two examples of these right here. The diet weight loss I literally just bought, right? And I spent $15.99. I got $15.18 back through PayPal, so that's normal, right? Usually you're going to either pay a little bit of taxes or a little bit of a PayPal fee, so I got less here. But with this other one right here, I actually got $5, a little bit under $5 more right here. So I spent $14.83 because I track everything like I always recommend to people, and I actually got $19.52 back. So that is not typical, but it does happen with cashback arbitrage from time to time. Sometimes the seller sends you more than you actually spent to get the product, because maybe they weren't, really focusing on what you spent. They just anticipated that their product is listed at $19.52 right now, so you must have spent $19.52 to get that, right? So it happens from time to time. Obviously, if they send you a lot less, you can always message the company or message the website and get the difference, assuming it's not like $1 or like 50 cents less. Then I usually let it go, because it's either taxes or it's just not worth my time to try to message back and forth to get the money, okay? So I'm going to show you an example of how to actually buy this. But before we jump into it, if anybody's interested in hopping to Online Arbitrage Pro 3.0, I'm running a special 65% off New Year, New You sale, okay? So if 2020 is going to be your year, it starts right now. You can take advantage of that right now. The first 5 people to click the link, first link in the description, for Online Arbitrage Pro 3.0 can get into the course at 65% off. So let me show you an example of how you can get this free product, which you can then resell back on eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari for 100% profit margin, because you're getting it for free, right? And this is kind of cool. So usually when you hit get your coupon on this website, it would pop up with a coupon code. But this is actually going to take you to a Facebook Messenger bot where you can actually buy, and I'll show you how to do that here in a second, okay? So it's going to pop up with a thing, and you're going to want to say, I want this. You're just going to go through the prompts. It's a Messenger bot, right? And then you're going to say, okay, here, I'm ready to buy. It wants you to buy it. Pretty self-explanatory, just read it. Purchase it on Amazon. It's going to send you the link to actually purchase this on Amazon. It's going to take you there. And I'm going to skip ahead because I don't want to actually show my website to me actually purchasing this, and then we'll move on from there. So here you go. You can see that I literally just purchased it for $9.97. So I'm going to take that order ID because they're going to want the order ID, just like most cashback websites. It didn't cost me any tax, and I'm going to end up probably getting $9.97 back in a PayPal refund. So you're going to hit I purchased it, and it's going to ask you for your order ID number. Boom. What's your order ID? You're going to paste that in, and then they're going to tell you that they're going to give you a PayPal refund for the full price, including taxes. That's what they say through the messenger bot now. Okay, woohoo, you made it. The Dealite team will send you your cash back in 24 hours, assuming your order ID is valid. Now, I've done this twice, never had an issue with it, and I'm assuming that they're going to continue to revamp the Elite Deal Club deals right here. So if we go back to the main deal, these are special deals. They're not coupon deals. They're actually cashback deals through the Facebook bot. Very, very cool stuff. I'm excited to see if they start to expand this on this actual website right now. And I plan on looking more into Dealited as we move forward. But this is definitely a place where you can go to get free products and get cashback products to your door for free, which you can then resell back online for 100% profit margin.